Hey, this is Andrew from AJS Woodworks, and today I'm going to be making a whiskey barrel liquor cabinet. So this barrel was purchased from Jack Daniels in Lynchburg, Tennessee, not far from here. And it's a empty barrel. You can buy empty barrels from them and they will finish it and brand it with the Jack Daniels logo, and they'll sell it to you for around $200. So this is what this barrel is. Today I'm going to be cutting a hole in the front of it. I'll be making a door and putting a shelf on the inside. On the side here, you see all the extra branding that they do with the old barrels. They have a brand on the top and the front. Really nice branding and coating on these. So I'm excited to see what it'll look like when I'm finished. It's a great barrel, and now I'll get started cutting it open. Alright, so this is the light that I'm going to put inside the barrel. I figured it would be nice to have a light in there because it can be pretty dark. It's all black in there and there's just going to be one little opening in the front. So I'm going to stick this up in the top inside the barrel so that it shines down onto the shelf. And this is a motion activated light. I have the packaging here. It's an Eco Light LED motion activated light. I'll go ahead and stick this into the barrel right now. It'll make working inside the barrel a lot easier with the light inside of there. So it doesn't come with screws. It only comes with adhesive pads to go on the back here. But I'm not going to use adhesive pads on a charcoal coated barrel. So I'll put a couple short screws in there to hold that on there. So I'll get started putting that on, and then we can move along with the shelf. Alright, so I've got the shelf brackets in. I couldn't videotape the process because there wasn't enough room really and it wouldn't have been a good shot. So I have 3 shelf brackets and I have the light in here. That really helped a lot. So in order to get the brackets to be level, I had to wedge a piece of plywood in between the bracket and the barrel because the barrel's a curved surface and the bracket doesn't curve. It's too thick of steel. So that helped to level out the bracket, make this end farther away from the side than the bottom end. So I did that on all 3 of these brackets. Alright, so in trying to find a draw latch for the barrel door, this is the only type of latch I could find in store. Zinc plated and all shiny. They had like a brass colored one too, but I didn't want that for sure, so I decided I'd get this and see what I could do with the finish. So I let one of these sit in vinegar overnight, put them in fire, and heated them up, got them really hot, and then dipped them in oil, so kind of blackening them like a blacksmith would do, and it seems to have worked. So far they've got a nice black finish on them. This is what they look like after being dipped in oil and heated and dipped again a few times. So I'm pretty happy with the way this turned out. It's not perfect by any means, but I think the overall look of the Jack Daniel's barrel itself kind of makes up for my mistakes. I hope you enjoyed the project. I hope to do a few more in the future, and thanks for watching.